FI Volcano version for the LP750. This has to be by far one of the craziest and sickest. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button because we have a lot planned for the Aventador SV. So welcome to the car community warehouse. If you're new here, we're gonna start off the tour with my 1016 body parts, which are for sale from the Lamborghini Huracan. Lamb Talk Huracan has officially been sold. We will have a video on that very soon, but let's start off with these carbon fiber fenders. Take a look at that. Full gloss carbon fiber. So basically, these fenders were fully wrapped, so they were protected, and we put PPF on the exposed carbon parts. So this is basically brand new, and I'm offering this for such a discounted price. Whoever has a Huracan and needs fenders, like look how sick this looks. We have someone to install it as well if you're from the New York City area and you would like these beautiful carbon fiber fenders. As well, part of my 1016 body kit, I sold my hood and my side skirts. So this is basically everything I have left. And my rear bumper I sold as well. We have the full forged carbon wing, which also comes with the base, so you don't have to cut your base on your car. And we have a full forged carbon lip for a 610 Huracan. So that's gonna end it for us with the 1016 body parts. If you're interested in these parts, make sure you slide into my DMs on ZaneCC, because car community DMs are crazy and I probably won't see it. But today's video is dedicated to frequency intelligent exhaust. The exhaust has finally made it here to New York City after a whole month of planning to get it here. FI Exhaust has expedited the shipping. It was supposed to come next week, but the car is getting shipped out to Las Vegas next Friday. We need a couple days to install the exhaust, and the car is at Manhattan Motor Cars, currently getting its full service done. And here it is, guys, the frequency intelligence exhaust. I would be lying to you if I told you I didn't open it yet, but as you guys see, I got pretty excited. Let's open up this beautiful exhaust. All right, you guys. The FI Volcano version for the LP750 Aventador. This also fits the 700, I believe, as well. So first, heat shielding. So this is basically the heat shield for the car. It protects all the metals and the pipes and everything from catching on fire and stuff. Very necessary to keep your car away from the flames. Let's keep that right there. Oh, it's a ganya, mama shini mama. Mystery box. Let's look for the scissors. Here we go, box cutter. All right, let's see what's in here. What I'm guessing is all the instruction manual and the modules for the Valvetronic system are in here. Handle with care. All right. Oh, I was wrong. The tips. Oh, look how sick that looks. Oh my god. Guys, look at the welding on this. This is insane. So basically, these tips are the black chrome tips. They had a couple options when I was looking into this exhaust. You had the gold tips, forged carbon tips, titanium blue tips, or the black chrome. I went with the black chrome because it matches the car better. All right, so let's put this with the heat shield. I don't want to break it, but here it is. Wow. Oh god, this thing looks sick. What? This is gonna definitely go on the car. This is for the Valvetronic system. Look at the new. This is sick. Look at that. Isn't that sick? Look how crazy. This is the remote for the Valvetronic system. I went for the Valvetronic system because I do not want my neighbors to hate me. So this is the best thing to go with. Once I come in the neighborhood, I can shut it off. This has to be by far one of the craziest and sickest Valvetronic remotes I've ever seen. And all right, let's put this to the side. Go on to the next thing. Oh my god. And last but not least, the Valvetronic catback. I'm not even gonna attempt to take this out. But just so you guys have an idea. Look at that. Insane. Insane. And we have a little goodie bag over here. Let's see what's in here. Oh my god. This is the wiring for the Valvetronic system. Before we head into the city tonight, I have the exhaust for sale from the Lamborghini Huracan. Let me show you guys that real quick. Come follow me. Here it is. 2 pipes. This is a catback exhaust for the Lamborghini Huracan. I am asking a very low price for this, so if you guys are interested and you have a Huracan or know somebody with a Lamborghini Huracan, could be a 610, 580, cannot be a Performante, will not fit on a Performante. It is for sale. So let's take a quick picture of the exhaust. Shall we get some little edits going on? And then we're heading into the city tonight. There is a Times Square run with SVJ, Huracan, couple cars from the New Jersey area coming up to New York. So we're gonna meet up with them and show them what the city is about. If you're gonna tease us like that, just keep rendering it. Oh my god, that thing is so loud. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Will the FI exhaust for the Aventador SV be louder than this SVJ? I think the FI exhaust is going to be super loud because I did get the Volcano version, so I'm super excited for that. We got a bunch of cars lined up tonight, starting with this Gallardo, Huracan, Porsche, 600 LT, a bunch of Huracans, GTR. Let's get ready to go. This is our ride for the night. Range Rover, supercharged. It is so cold over here in New York City. I cannot wait to go to Vegas.
Okay, chill out. It's not that cold, okay? Like, get over yourself. It gets colder.
It's cold. It's cold. Who's making all that noise?
Aventador!
Oh my god, that car looks so good.
I didn't run the light. They stopped at the yellow.
Okay, so you're just gonna pull over in the middle of the road?
Yeah, I'll just stop. It's okay.
Bye, police. Edmund's not here. Edmund's out here, so you can just go. Alright guys, so that's gonna end it for us over here tonight. The exhaust is getting put on in a day or so, so you guys are gonna see that vlog very soon.
Vlogs!
So are you following them through the tunnel? Are you following them to the tunnel? We're going home. Yes, we're going home. Thank you guys so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button. Cop some merch.
You got to buy the merchandise. The car community. Looking. I have a car community merchandise.
That is one of the first hoodies we remember me.
No, you're always half asleep.
What time is it? What time is it?
Vlog while you're half asleep.
What time is it? What time is it? It's 1:30 in the morning.
Your phone died.
Look, it's 1:30 in the morning.
Nice background picture.
Peace. Is that a bad thing? Oh, Popo!
We got 10,000 right now.